This is warning flashlight I bought from Amazon. I think sometimes if you doing home renovation, home inspection, whatever, you drive into the community and your working vehicle is best have a warning light. It's kind of construction light, but it's temporary. You don't need a really big one. So this is only one piece. In this video, I'm going to open the package to see how it looks. So you got one page menu and you got two light bulbs, and this is the mounting plate. But here, this is magnetic. You just put this onto your vehicle. It's good. And also you got the option to use the screws to mount it on. The plastic is hard and I think it's pretty thick. You cannot squeeze it. And the cable is pretty long. This model is using the cable to connect it to the vehicle's battery. I think this is very useful, especially you're driving your working vehicle into the community. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.